Hey guys, so you're probably wondering, can you change club name in EAFC 26 web app? Okay, and I want to be completely honest. I don't want to be here making fake videos, wasting your time with everything. So I'll give it to you straight. So the web app itself, it does not let you change your club name. You know, the web app, what it's mainly for squad building challenges, transfers, squads, club management, things like that. So you'll not actually be able to come here to the web app and be able to do things like settings like that. Change your club name and all of those other things. So I wanted to be completely honest with you, completely transparent. I don't want to be here making a fake video, wasting your time. So I hope you appreciate that. And if you do, make sure you smash that like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to App Mentor, and I'll see you in the next one.